Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. And today we have another delivery from Lazada. So I got here an orange pie. So this is basically a single board computer from well, China technically, but it's a lot cheaper than a Raspberry Pi. A Raspberry Pi here in the Philippines cost around 3,500 pesos. This one just cost me 900 pesos. It's got, okay, let me see if I can see the specs here. I can, so it's got, okay, so this particular model is the Orange Pi Zero. It's got a quad-core Cortex A7, and I'm just showing you here that it's you see the box. It's no bigger than an iPhone 7, and nothing there, just the board computer, single board computer, and this one is a Raspberry Pi Zero. Again, the Raspberry Pi Zero. Nothing specific, just some paperwork here, and you can see how small this thing is. It's really just a small um, computer, and it's nice to see the package is sealed. So again, it's an H2 quad-core Cortex A7 with the Mali 400 MP2 GPU that supports OpenGL 2.0. It's got this model has a 512 MB of DDR3 memory. Uh, and here I'm just showing you how small this thing is. It's my mouse, my Logitech mouse is much bigger than the actual board. So it's got, all right, let's go around this. That's the H2 processor. It's got a LAN, a USB 2 port. It's got these expansion ports on both sides. One has the pins, and yeah, a USB for power. It's a 2 amp and a card reader for the memory. So I got here a 16 MB card, 16 gig, sorry about that, 16 gig card, and it's actually spring loaded. Yeah, all right. Let me just set this aside, and you can install Android, Ubuntu, and Debian. Okay, so I'm just uh, putting in the power. No, it's not gonna boot. There's no display headers here, by the way. You don't have an HDMI port. Uh, and let me see if I can load up Linux install on this machine. So on your browser, you just head to your favorite search engine and search for Orange Pi. Okay, sorry, wrong search there. Orange Pi, and it should lead you to the Orange Pi website. And here you can see they've got a number of models, and we actually have the Orange Pi Zero, and just show you some pictures of the unit. Takes some time to load those pictures, and there you have pictures of your unit. But what we're here for is the downloads. So if you go down to the bottom, You can actually download Win32 disk imager from here, but if you don't like to download from their website, because this is China, if you don't like to download from their website, go ahead and download from SourceForge or um, GitHub. But what we're here for is the Debian image. Okay, so you just pick whatever flavor of Linux that you like from any of these available Linux distributions. They have binaries here for Linux distributions, and also they have the source codes for the Linux that they use. So once the download is finished, just extract the downloaded zip file into a folder on your desktop or into a folder in your PC. And we are going to run Win32 Disk Imager. So just install Win32 Disk Imager. Okay. And select the image file. And select the image file where you extracted the image. Okay, it's not yet extracted. It's we still need to extract this. Okay, extract the tar and select the ISO and select the drive or select the where your USB is located. I'm sorry, I said USB. Select where your memory card is located and just press right and just wait till the write process finishes. Okay, so after your write has completed, go over to your routers hub to be able to find the computer. So the first thing to do here is connect the computer. When it booted up, connect it to via a LAN cable to your router. And after connecting it to your router, it should show up an IP address, and that's what we're looking for right now. So we're going to do an initial setup, and we're going to look for our Orange Pi here from our router. Okay, so I got the LAN connected, and let's just wait for our device to show up. And there you go. So we just look for the IP address that is in here, and let's connect to our machine via SSH. Open up a command prompt here, and yeah, just log in. And the default credentials are actually on the website. It's basically root and Orange Pi. So you have to log in as root initially. And there you go, we're inside the Orange Pi box. So for such a small computer, we have something that runs Linux, and As you can see here, it's got the 512 MB memory and quad core CPU. So there you have it, folks. RAS, sorry, Orange Pi Zero. I got the 512 MV variant available at Lazada at 900 pesos. If you like the video, guys, please like, subscribe, share, and see you on the next video. Thanks.